Biyasan lang, nagulat ako. Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Hello, teacher.
Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Hello there. What is your name?
My name is Phúc.
Oh, oh, okay. How old are you?
Um, 9 years, 9 years old.
9 years old. 9 years old. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. How was your day in school?
It is good.
It is good. Do you have lots of friends?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay, me too. So I will introduce myself since this is our first meeting. So my name is Marjorie, but you can call me Teacher Marge. Can you say it again? How can you call me?
teacher March.
Okay, very good. You can call me Teacher Marge. Where are you came from?
I am from Vietnam.
Vietnam. I heard that there are so many yummy and delicious food in Vietnam. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is
Yes,
noodles. It's
noodles.
noodles.
Noodles? Is it correct?
Mm, yes,
What? Oh, noodles. I like noodles too. What noodles do you like?
it is pasta.
A pasta. Wow. It's just spaghetti or a soup?
It is spaghetti.
A spaghetti. What spaghetti do you like? Do you like sweet or do you like um a sour spaghetti?
Lime spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Wow, that is so delicious. What sweet food do you like?
I like, a watermelon.
Watermelon. Wow, that is good to very good to eat if it is hot. Is it hot there today?
Yes,
It is hot because it's getting summer. So, what grade are you in? Go, I put.
um,
What grade are you in?
um,
Are you in grade 4 or in grade 5?
I am in grade 4.
Grade 4. I have some student in the past is grade 4 like you. What is your favorite subject, book?
My favorite subject is
Yes.
English
English. That is good to hear. You like to learn English. And why do you like it? Is it easy or difficult to learn English?
because um because I can speak English with foreigners.
You can speak English. Do you have friends that speak English too?
Yes,
Hmm, it's good to hear that you have friends that can speak English. So aside from your food, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is
Yes.
yellow
Yellow. Why do you like favorite color? Why do you like favorite the color of yellow?
because it is a light color.
Oh, live color. I like orange, yellow too. Like the color of the banana. Okay. Do you like what is your favorite animal? Animal. My favorite animal is cat. And meow meow. What is your
My
favorite
favorite,
animal?
my favorite animal is a lion
A lion. Why do you like a lion?
because it is a king of the jungle.
Of King of the Jungle. That's right. Does the lion is so strong and brave?
Yes,
Hmm. Are you do you are you like lion because you are strong and brave too?
yes,
Oh, very good. You are strong and brave. That is a very nice attitude. Oh, so wait for a moment. So we will wait for a while. Let's go to the unit 39. Okay. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. So, what is the name of your fan?
my friend, my, my friend is Sonic.
What is the name of your fan? Can you speak it again?
Is Sonic.
Sonny?
Yes,
Sonny. What games do you like? What games do you always play when you are together?
it is a football game.
A football game. That is a game that needs you to run, so you can run fast.
Yes.
Oh, so now let's proceed to our lesson for today. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes,
Oh, if you are
yes,
ready, um, put your put a thumbs up here. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Are you ready? Can I see your thumbs up? Thumbs up.
yes.
Can you do the thumbs up? Very good. Thumbs up. So, our lesson is Hello Again, titled Hello Again. So, what is the title of our lesson? Hello
We
Again.
hello again.
Okay, very good. So, our first activity, we have a look at the picture. What are these? And draw a line. So, we will find this in the picture. So we will find this. Wait. We will find this. Uh, we will find this in the picture. Okay, wait. So, what can you see on the picture? The picture shown, what can you see? There is, what can you see?
is the sky.
Oh, the sky. Where is the sky? Can you um draw a mark or a line? Where is the sky? Where's the sky? Can you draw a mark for the sky? Hmm. Very good. That is the sky. So next, the seat. Where is the seat? Can you draw a mark or a box? Where is the seat? Oh, very good, Pok. You're doing a good job. The bicycle. Where is the bicycle? Bicycle. Very good. The bicycle is rode by the bicycle is in the side. Next is where is the skateboard? Skateboard. The skateboard. Very good, book. Correct. Where is the grass? Where is the grass book? It's the grass. Very good. You label it correct. The backpack. Where is the backpack book? Where is the backpack? Very good. What is the color of the backpack?
It is green.
Very good. It is green. What is the color of your t-shirt? What is the color of your t-shirt you're wearing today?
It is green.
They have the same color. So, where is the sunglasses? Sunglasses. Can you mark it or draw a line? Very good. The roof. Where is the roof? The roof. Where is the roof? Very good. That is the roof. So now, let's give ourselves a very good clap. But before that, I will demonstrate it. I'll demonstrate it first. So this is how you do very good clap. One, two, three. Very good. Very good. Very good. Can you do the very good clap? Can you do the very
One,
two, three?
one, two, three.
Very good. Thumbs up.
For good,
Very good.
for good.
Very good.
Very good.
Yay! Very good po. So now let's proceed to our next activity. So our next activity is say how the picture are different. So among these two pictures, what is their differences? Can you mark it, book? And these two pictures, what is their differences? Is there difference in terms of um the t-shirt? Can you mark it? Can you mark it? What is their differences? Mm, where is oh, okay, there is the differences. What else? What else? Where is the differences? Moon. Here, the second, where the man sit. Where the man sit. Oh, very good. This is the difference. What else? What can you observe? Hmm, what else? The girl in the back. Very good book. What else? What can you see the differences? Is there anything else? Okay, there is still the difference. What else? Oh, very good. Mm, the bag, the tire. Oh, the man sitting. Oh my God, wait lang. Wait for a while. Okay. Is it is it the differences? Oh. Oh my God. Okay, wait for a while. So, you already shade the differences on the picture. Oh, I'll move the picture. Okay. So, very good book. You already marked um the differences between the pictures. So now let's proceed to our next activity. So, look at the picture. There are missing words. So, can you read this book? Wait. Can you read this? I say, um,
The 7 people in the picture are about
are about. Wait. I will,
are about
are about. So, years old. So, how many people are there in the picture book?
it is 7 people.
7 people. So, 7 people. We have 7 years old. So, can you put 7 here in this blank? 7. Oh, the word 7. Can you put the word 7 here? Oh, very good. Okay, let's continue reading.
The girl in the orange sweater is standing on a
What?
skateboard.
Oh, very good. Skateboard. Oh, can you put the word skateboard here? Skateboard. Oh, very good book. That's correct. Next, read.
Robert is sitting on the
Where's
chair.
Robert? Oh, very good. Robert's sitting on the chair. All right, chair here. Okay, correct. Chair. So let's proceed. Let's read.
He is interested in
Oh,
the tablet.
oh, tablet. Very good. Very good observation, Pooh. Can you put here tablet? Put tablet. Oh, very good. Let's proceed. A girl here.
The girl and the boy are standing beside
Mm, Beside where they are standing beside.
beside
What is it? What is it?
um
What is it? Mm, what is it? The girl and the boy is standing. It is a blue. It is color blue.
it
What
is
is what is it?
a
Color.
bicycle.
Very good. A bicycle. What is the color of the bicycle, Pook?
It is blue.
Very good. Color blue. Put bicycle here. Bicycle. That's correct. Very good. Very good. We already done the third activity. So let's give ourselves a very good clap. But let's
1, 2, 3. Over. For good. Very good.
Very good. So now to our next activity, we will listen a short story. Are you ready? Can you give a thumbs up? Can you give a thumbs up?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let's listen a story.
1D. Hello again. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Is that your new game, Robert? Yes, but it's quite difficult to play. But you're really good at computer games. Not always. Shall I teach you how to play it? Okay, yes. What's it called? Silver Moon.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
So, it's a new game. When did you get it? It was my birthday last Friday.
So the first question, when Robert got his game? Do you remember it?
Is last Friday.
Very good. Can you write Friday here? Very good. You have a good listening skills, Spock. Okay, let's continue.
My grandparents gave it to me when they came to see me that day. I really love it. Let me see. Can you play it with another person? Yes. My brother and I played it a lot yesterday.
Oh, hope Robert play with the game. With his?
He is playing a game with his brother.
Brother, that's right. Can you put the brother here, Poke? Very good. So now let's continue.
We had lots of fun with it, but he always wants to win. So, who's that alien? The one on the screen? It's called Zappy.
What is the name of the alien in the game, Poke? What's the
It
name?
is Zappy.
Zappy. Where is Zappy? Can you point Zappy? Or can you draw a line? Zappy. Where is Zappy? Oh, very good. That is Zappy. Can you say hi to Zappy? Hi, Zappy.
Hi, Zappy.
Oh, yeah, Zappy. Can you put Zappy here in the line? And here, the name of the alien.
Uh,
Zappy. Very good. So let's continue.
You spell that Zappy. There's a website too, where you can choose other aliens to add to the game. Wow! Its face is a funny colour green. Is its body green too? Yes, but its feet are orange. Look. Okay.
So what is the Zappy's colors? What is the color of of Zappy's feet? Book. What's the color of
it
his feet?
is orange.
Orange. Can you put the orange here? Very good. Can you say a hello again to Zappy? Hi, Zappy.
Hello, Zappy.
Hello, Zappy. Can you ask him how do you do today?
How did you do today?
I'm okay. Okay. So let's continue.
Okay, so what happens in the game? The alien hops from one place to another, and you've got to give it food because it gets tired. It collects socks from different places. What do you mean? It loves socks. It takes them from washing lines in people's gardens and puts them in its backpack. It likes socks that are any colour, but red ones are its favourite. I don't think I want to play it, Robert. Skateboarding is much more exciting.
What Zappy the aliens like to
It
find?
is sock. Is sock.
Socks. So can you put the sock here? Very good. Are you wearing a sock now, Pook?
No.
No. What color of socks do you have?
It is white, gray, and black.
You have 3 colored socks. Do you wear them in when you're going to school?
Yes.
That's good to know. I'm always wearing socks if I'm going to school also. So very good, Pop. Let's give ourselves a very good clap.
1, 2, 3. For good. For good. Very good.
Very good. Okay, let's proceed to our next activity. Book, are you ready? Are you ready? Put your thumbs up here. Can you show your thumbs up? Thumbs up. Oh, very good. So now let's proceed to our next activity. So find the answer to each question and draw a line. So first, we have the first question is already answered. So can you read this book? Wait. Oh. Can you read this book?
How do you get to school in the morning?
Oh, very good. So where is the line connected?
How do you is it G? No. It is F. I am a
Alright.
bicycle, but not every day.
Oh, very good. So now let's find the answer of this second question. So first, let's read it. Let's read the number 2 question. Let's read the number 2.
Do you play video game in your classroom sometimes?
So let's find its answer. What is the answer of this second question, Pook? Very good. So the answer is letter. What is this letter? What is this letter? Letter? This.
Letter D.
Very good. So let's read the letter D. Let's
Letter
read
D.
this.
We can do that in the lesson.
Very good. Can you play video game in your class, Pook?
No.
Oh, very good. Why?
Because in the lesson, I can play again.
That's correct. So for our third question, can you read it?
What do you and your friend like chatting about?
What do you do and your friends like chatting about? So what is the answer for this question, Pook?
It is A.
Can you connect it? Can you connect it with the letters? Very good. Can you read what is this letter? This is letter.
E.
Okay, letter E. So um we are almost done. Uh, we are almost done, Pook, but we are not already done our last activity. So let's. It's already time. It's already time. It's time to say goodbye. I hope to see you again next class. Can you say cheese in the cam? Say
Teacher.
cheese. Cheese. Can you say
Teacher.
cheese? Goodbye. Can you say cheese?
Teacher.
Bye bye. Bye.